See. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, thank you guys for stopping by. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys on how I store my wigs. Every time I want to take my wigs from here, you see that pink thing right there, it's always a mess, and I end up getting what I want, and it's always messy. So I found a new way of storing my wigs and easy access to getting it, right? Instead of throwing them all around like me, my wigs, and taking them out of the bag right there. And I want to show you guys on how I achieved that. I'm gonna show you guys anyway. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do that, and don't forget to hit the links that I have down below to watch any of my videos, and don't forget to share this video to someone that wants to know how to store wigs. So I've got some couple of this, and this. I'm using this to store my wigs, and it's a hook. You can get this in any store where they do hardware and buy some things for home. I think that is where you can get this. I'm just gonna give it a try and see if it works, and if it works, I think I'm gonna keep it. Okay. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed. Please don't mind my tiny Tina right there. She's a good girl. She's really calm, and she's just staring at me like, Tina, what are you doing? I know. I have a rack on my where I'm supposed to put my clothes, so that is what we are going to be working with. I said before, this is what we are going to be working with. So this rack right here, I'm going to hook it on every part that I want to put my hair, and I'm going to show you guys on how I do that. Guys, I've gone ahead to put all the hooks on the rack, and I'm going to start attaching the hair. So right here I have all my hair, all my wigs. So these are all my wigs. This is where I put all my wigs. You can see how messy it is, and it's not really like easy for me whenever I'm looking for hair. So that is why I decided to get these things to use. As you can see, all my wigs, this is how it looks, and they are so, see. So I'm gonna take each one of them and start hooking them on the rack. Not just a nice way to store your wigs, and it's easy to access. You can easily look at this wig and just take any one from it. How I store my wigs for now, and I'm so happy about it because it's easy for me to take wigs, any wigs that I'm looking for. So guys, let me know what you guys think in the comment section. This is like a full wardrobe. You can put your clothes on it, but I have enough space in my house. That is why I decided to use this space to put my wigs instead of it lying down on this right here. So if you like this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my channel, and I'll be catching you guys on my next YouTube video. Bye.